Hey, Miss Kimberly, Alex Marevka here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the Hyundai Sonata. You didn't specify a trim package or color. As you can see, I have a row going down this way. I have them up on the front. I also have them going all the way around the back of the building. So no matter which trim package you're looking for or color, we're going to have it here at Tameron Hyundai. That's also going to come with America's best warranty. That's a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited miles of roadside assistance, and here and only here at Tameron, we double the manufacturer powertrain warranty, which gives you 20 years or 200,000 miles of powertrain coverage, engine components, transmission, everything. All I need you to do, Miss Kimberly, is give me a call. We'll set up a time to figure out which one is going to work best for you and work best for your budget. My name's Alex Marevka. I'm the sales associate who will be helping you through the process, and I will work very, very hard to earn your business. Give me a call. My name's Alex. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. And again, it's Alex at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 205-380-6250. Kimberly, I look forward to speaking with you and meeting with you very soon.